In this recording, you will learn how to start and begin working on a Google slideshow. For this particular uh, presentation, I'm showing you for the case of the Who Am I presentation that you made at the beginning of the school year, but this tutorial could be used for any project that uses Google Slideshows. So I'm going to get away from the Who Am I instructions, which is where you should begin for that first project I was talking about. For any Google Slideshow presentation, the first place you need to get to is Google Drive. Once you're at Google, there are two ways to do it. You can click on these buttons right here, the 9 squares, and then click on the drive icon. What I actually prefer, because you can do it from anywhere, is to just start typing drive, and drive.google.com will automatically pop up. The rest of this tutorial video is very quick and pretty easy. You need to simply click on the red new button and you need to open up a new Google slideshow. Google Slides works just like Microsoft PowerPoint. There are a couple small changes in how what buttons are available and what specifically you can click. So if you're more comfortable with PowerPoint, you can make a PowerPoint and then just upload it. It doesn't really matter. It works the same way. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a theme. I'll just pick a light gradient just to show you what to do. You can change that later if you change your mind by clicking theme up here. Once you've started your presentation, the next thing you should do is you should adjust your share settings. If somebody else, like a teacher, is going to need to be able to view this presentation at any time, which most of the time probably is the case if somebody has to grade the presentation, you need to open up the share settings so it's not private anymore. If you click on this blue share button, it'll ask you to name it. So let's name it sample presentation. Okay. There's a small button down the bottom right hand corner of this option called advanced. If you click on that, you can see who has access. Yourself you have access, pardon me, because you made it, and then it defaults to private. You're going to change that to anyone with the link, or if you only want people in your group, we have a center school district group, so if you want only people in your group, you can select that. I'm going to click anyone with the link, and then I'm going to make sure that it's selected as can view, because I don't want whoever's looking at this to make any changes. Once we're good with that, I'll click save, I'll click done, and we're ready to go. At this point, follow the instructions for any presentation that you're making, and when you are done, turn it in however your teacher would like you to turn it in, and you've got a completed Google Slideshow presentation.